Welcome to Toolbox 2. In Toolbox 2, you will find information about what types of foods people on a low phenylalanine diet should be eating. We've provided two handouts for you in this toolbox. The first handout is one that would be great for dietitians to keep on hand in their own office, but also to provide to parents and caregivers of children that have PKU. It's very easy to read. It's not exhaustive, but it does have some overarching stop foods that need to be avoided at all costs, some go foods, as you can see, that can be eaten in normal quantities, and then in the middle you've got your caution foods. Those are the foods that are needing to be measured, and we need to be counting how much we're eating to make sure we're not getting too much protein. The next handout that we have for you in this toolbox is an Aim for Healthy Choices target. And I love this handout. It would be great for children as they're learning how to take ownership of their diet. This handout has the visuals that you can see, the foods that need to be eaten and can be eaten in large quantities daily without being counted. And then around it, you've got the foods that need to be eaten with caution. And then the words on the outer edge are the words that are the no foods. So this is a great target handout for the children in order to learn their own diet. So I hope you enjoy these two handouts that we have for you as you are learning how to create a low phenylalanine diet.